Attention health enthusiasts, this could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Let's dive into gene therapy. So why is gene therapy done? Let's break it down. First off, gene therapy can fix genes that don't work properly. Imagine faulty genes as broken switches in your body. Gene therapy can turn off these switches to stop diseases in their tracks, or it can flip on healthy switches to prevent those diseases from even starting. Next, let's talk about replacing genes. Sometimes cells become diseased because certain genes just don't work right or stop working altogether. By swapping out these faulty genes with healthy ones, we can potentially treat major diseases. For example, there's a gene called p53 that usually prevents tumors. Many cancers are linked to problems with this gene. If doctors could replace the malfunctioning p53 gene, the healthy one might make those cancer cells disappear. Finally, gene therapy can help your immune system spot the bad guys. Sometimes your immune system doesn't see diseased cells as threats. Gene therapy can train your immune system to recognize these harmful cells and attack them. Pretty cool, right? So to sum it up, gene therapy fixes broken genes, replaces faulty ones, and boosts your immune system's ability to fight disease. It's like giving your body a superpower. Stay curious and keep learning, health enthusiasts. Gene therapy is just one way science is helping us live healthier lives. Until next time,